Magnetic tape data storage. It is a system for storing digital information and magnetic tape using digital recording. It is one of the oldest technologies for electronic data storage. Floppy disk. It can store digital data which can be read and written when the disk is inserted. Hard disk drive. It is a non-volatile data storage. It refers to storage devices that maintain stored data when turned off and can store terabytes of information. Solid-state drive. It can store data permanently inside an integrated circuit using flash-based memory. USB flash drive. Also known as a USB stick that can be used in place of a compact disc. It is a small external flash drive that can be used with any computer that has a USB port and can store important files and data backup. SD card. It is a tiny flash memory card designed for high-capacity memory and various portable devices. Compact disc. It is a portable storage medium that can be used to record, store, and playback audio, video, and other data in digital form. Blu-ray disc. It is a digital optical disc data storage format. It developed to enable recording, rewriting, and playback of high-definition video, as well as storing large amounts of data.